If you're thinking about building a shed here, you need to know this first. Most beginners start cutting without a real plan. And that's where the expensive mistakes begin. One small measuring error can throw off the entire structure. Suddenly, the project turns into chaos. Wasted materials. Wasted time. More money than expected. This is why many people quit halfway. Not because they can't build, but because they don't have a clear blueprint. A proper step-by-step plan changes everything. Exact cuts. Exact measurements. No guesswork. Thousands of beginners use these exact shed plans. You'll find them in my bio. Tap the link and start building.